Try the chew.
Morning, Momo.
You
What's
try
going
it?
on?
Here's your new chew on.
Let's see if Momo takes the chew on.
This is new pacifier.
Yeah, hey, what's up, dude? Momo and I were having so much fun yesterday, Mama.
What are you doing?
We're singing to him. Let's see if he picks up his head. His head up. Momo, pick up your head. Oh, sorry, Mama. Oh, you didn't want to be in that video.
Did you get me?
A little bit. Oh, head up, Momo. Head up, show Grandma. Show the grandmas what you...
Oh, hello.
You're a turtle, Momo. You're so strong. It's like, how old are most babies when they can do that?
Right about, I don't know, not
10
yet.
weeks?
4 months maybe?
Oh my, you're like twice as...
Come over here, turn your head.
Come on, Momo.
Do you want to try the chew on? This is a new chew on that we got. It's all natural. And supposedly, babies like it more. Let me get his face. Doesn't like it.
Not like the real thing.
He likes the real thing better. Or his hand. Look, he's going for his hand. Sucking on his hand.
Like the real thing. Oh yeah, Momo.
That's how I know.
Ain't nothing like the real thing, Momo. Ain't nothing like the real thing. You don't forget it, Momo. He only wants the real thing.
Hi. Look at those eyes. His little face.
Say hello.
Buenos días.
You don't
Buenos
have-
días, Abuela. Buenos días, Abu Memo. Buenos días, familia. Oh. You want to try the chew on again? Oh no. Spits it out. Spits it out. There he goes, lifting his head up.
Look at Turtle Momo.
La tortuga.
Come on, Turtle.
Lift up. Lift up. Come over here. Lift up. You can do it.
Come on, Turtle.
He's kicking his feet. Lots.
No, don't put that in his mouth. It's just him.
He likes to suck on it. What do you think, little Rum Rum? Oh, you like your hands better, don't you?
So happy right now.
Oh, I know. Can you turn your head over here? Can you turn your head over here? See, he wants some more. He likes to suck on it. Soon he's going to be able to hold it himself.
Oh.
Good job, Romy. Good job. Good job. Oh, you can put your head down if you want.
Oh, look at that.
You can put your head
Oh,
down.
did you see roar like the lion?
There.
Let me use head.
No, he can put it down a little.
Get
Rest
that.
it.
Pick it up, Momo. Yeah. Roar like the lion. Roar like the lion.
Oh my god, he's like crawling. Look, he's like,
Is he really
if he had
crawling?
something propped up here, you'd be pushing
Is
himself.
that'll be where I'll crawl?
It's like the beginning.
Oh,
We
you
don't want him
are
to crawl
such a
yet.
little crawler.
Not
So
yet.
advanced.
You're too
Just
little.
like your old man.
You're too little.
Yeah, little Momo. You're the cutest baby. You know you're getting a job. Mama, can I put you on the camera for a second?
No,
Come on.
we'll do it later.
Alright, we'll tell everybody about Momo's new job. You're getting your first job. Just like your old man, starting at a young age.